Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads. I also have clear pony beads and I have some stars. If you don't have stars, you can substitute whatever you have on hand. You're also going to need some scissors. And for this project, if you have any extra string from leftover projects, you could use some of that. We're going to need, if you don't have any extra string, then you can just cut some pieces that are like 4 to 5 inches, should be long enough. You'll need 6 of those. And then we're also going to need 2 pieces of string that measure probably about 7 inches. And we're going to set those to the side. So we're going to take one of these pieces of string and you're going to add 4 pink beads. And you're going to take this string and you're going to go back through this bead here. Okay, we're going to add 4 pink beads. And you're going to take your string and you're going to go back through this bead here. Okay, this bead here. And to tighten this, you can grab onto this bead here and pull down a little bit. We're going to add 4 pink beads. And you're going to take your string and you're going to go back through this bead here. Going to add 4 pink beads. And we're going to go back through that bead. Now we need to try to, well, this is what it looks like. But now we need to try to tighten this up. So any bead that's sticking out here, you can pull to tighten it. And after you have this tightened, you're going to put your strings together and tie it. And you can cut that off. Now you should be left with a square. Okay, and you're going to need to make one in each color, which I already did. So you could stop the video and make all your squares and then come back for the next step. Now these 2 strings that we set aside, we're going to use one of them. And to hold our place, we're going to put a bead on. This is optional, but it might help. You just tie a bead on to the string. Just one knot, because we're going to remove this later. Now you're going to take the other end of that string and go through the pink. So that clear bead's right there. And our pattern now is going to go clear, star, clear. And we're going to take this string and we're going to go through the pink. And we're going to take it through the orange. We're going to add clear, a star, and then clear. You'll take that through the orange and up through the yellow. We're going to add a clear, star, and a clear. We'll go through the yellow. We're going to go up through the green. Okay, you can go ahead and pull that. Not all the way tight because you don't want to lose your bead over here. But this is what it should look like. Now we need to connect the purple and the pink. So come over to this side and we're going to pull this bead off. And we're going to tie these two strings together. Okay, so you just tie it. Okay, now we need to do the other side. So we have that other piece of string that we put off to the side. We're going to go ahead and tie, just like we started, tie a bead on to hold our place. And we'll go through this pink bead. Just holding our place till we get around. And we're going to add the clear, star, and clear. And it's going to go through the pink. We'll go through the purple. So we're doing the exact same thing that we did when we first started. Okay, eventually you're going to want to pick this up. But that's what it's looking like so far. Go through the green and the yellow. Okay, now we're at the end. We're going to pull this bead off, and you can tie these two ends together. Cut that off. And this is what it looks like. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.